go to the left and don't take the route I took, move a little over.
Yeah. Your lights are on inside your car. Is the door open?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, there's Rick, Mike,
We have
Jack,
toast.
Sydney.
We have tow straps on board. If someone,
Dorothy.
They both have winches.
For some reason, I was going Toto.
So-
I'm like, no, Dorothy.
Hand me this.
What?
And the photographer, Sheri.
I never get on there. And then we have more coming. And we have
Well,
4
I
Jeeps
would drive,
today.
but she wants to experience it, so we're gonna let her stay behind the wheel.
Oh,
I need to learn
It's a good
how to drive my
experience.
car.
She wants
Yeah.
to do it. So.
It'll look a different color.
you already got gas?
Yeah. Good
Wow,
to go.
you're quick.
Good to go.
Okay.
Still working on this radio problem.
Okay. And then the children.
Yeah.
I don't think we're going.
Okay, here's Kasey's Jeep. We've got the Shenanigans Bronco. We have the Shenanigans Jeep. The original Shenanigans Jeep, because this was the first one that Rick got and we all decided we liked Jeeping. And then Sydney brought hers out from Las Vegas and she is going out for the first time.
I know.
So-
fast. Just kidding.
So we're going to have a lot of fun.
We
And
are.
we're going to do a trail that she can do comfortably for the first time.
And I
But-
might be inspired to make a tire.
Yeah. But it'll still give her a little bit of a challenge, so it'll be fun.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I'm excited.
Yes. Okay. Addie's here.
Those are cute. I like those. They're
She-
kind of like grown on a bit. No,
She's-
it looks cute.
There we
Got
go.
this over here. Look at Papa.
Oh.
You look ready to go.
My Barbie glasses.
Of course.
You like his haircut?
You match my Jeep.
You like his haircut? All right. Giving up on this thing for now.
Okay. We're still waiting on the rest of them. Got a few more coming.
The cigarette ads.
Okay, here we go.
Riley, you
Got
look
2
so
more.
slay.
And then
Nice running form.
Sydney will be behind you.
Who you guys riding with?
We got Riley and Wyatt.
I don't care.
Whatever
What
you
are
guys
my
want.
options? Who are you
There's
riding
those
with?
4 our own ride. There's like 4 cars. So you can
There's
hop
4.
in everyone you want to.
We want the
Okay, here we are in Big Bear Lake, California. We're on Highway 38 and we just turned off onto 2N01. Alright, this is the cool Jeep.
The what?
The cool Jeep.
Cool Jeep.
Hi, Sheri.
We got all the cool people on this Jeep.
I'll take it.
Okay. Here's Addie. She's riding with her dad today.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's see, we're at
Here's Kasey.
33.
His Jeep, he just airs down so quick and easy. He's got a nice system. You can hear. Mike's airing down over here. Are they going to air down hers? Here, Rick got a new system to air down.
Just unless you want to show the valley.
Yeah, well, that's what I was doing. I was turning on to show the valley. I think that road down there is this road.
I don't think so.
I do. What do you want to bet?
You know what? I might. Give me just another second here. Because I remember when we turned.
Uh-huh. Yeah. But he's not going to bet me because he doesn't know for
No,
sure.
that's this road. Because they're, yeah.
See, I hadn't figured out what I was going to bet yet, but I was going to get something. There you go.
How little the two door looks.
It is little. Yeah, we're coming up on a valley that we originally thought was the valley we went through on Burns Canyon Road. But it's not. Look, see right here where the rocks are piled up against the side. They
Sure.
created this road.
Yeah.
So it's even easier than before. And then it ran into 2 and 04. And we're headed down to Burns Canyon Road.
Big Bear Lake.
Yeah, out of Big Bear Lake or Lake Baldwin or San Bernardino Mountains, California.
All of the above. Turned onto Burns Canyon Road, which is 2 and 02, I believe. There were some big ruts up here before the play yard.
There were. Yeah, I don't know if they're still there.
Well, right here, there's a play yard, right, already.
Yeah.
They filled them in.
Well, the biggest ones were over by the big hill.
Yeah, but it's still been filled in. It was here. It was
yeah, they've been working on this road. I wonder if they moved that boulder. Because when we went by it last time, they hadn't moved that boulder on the way to Pioneer Town. They just made a path around it.
Everybody went a different direction, it looks like.
Well. Yes, Kasey went on his own.
Crazy out here.
And Sydney followed.
Kasey followed the rules.
Okay. There they are. Okay, let's see what they did up here if they fix this.
Yes.
Oh, they totally fixed it up here.
You would drive into the
big rut over here. Right
yeah.
here. Nice. Okay. Oh, are you doing this?
Sure not.
Nobody's here to watch you yet.
It's all right.
up the hill. Look, that tree fell over.
We're really low.
Look at the ruts.
Yeah, it's a big rut.
Uh-huh.
Wow, it's a big old rut.
Are you gonna make it?
I don't know, I'm gonna find out.
Wow. You got a turn up here
Yeah,
when you get to the top.
as soon as you get to the top.
That's still kind of scary.
Yeah. But you need to tell them there's a huge rut
Yeah.
and you turn right at the top.
Okay, the rut's too big for Sydney to do that one. There they are down there. Where'd Kasey go? Oh, this one? I don't like this one.
You don't?
No. It's steep. Jesus. It looks like we're going off the edge of a cliff. Kasey's following us. Are you sure you got this right?
No, there's
No, you're
the
not.
cliff right there.
Look.
Do it.
But you're not following the road right.
No.
No, I don't do that one. I hate that one.
Boo.
Oh, that's got quite a drop right at the top.
Yeah. I
What's
don't
the
like.
worst that can happen?
We could roll down the hill? Go the other way.
Not if you try hard not to.
Yeah, I don't want to do that one. It's too steep for me.
I can go up it. Tell Kasey there's a little cliff there. Do you see the drop off on that thing? No, I mean it's like, yeah, and Jack's going on this one to go down. Jack's going, what's the worst that could happen?
I said we could roll it.
Yeah, that's the worst.
Yeah,
That's quite a dip in there, huh?
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
The far left went through the dip.
Yeah.
We wouldn't send
Okay.
Sydney up there.
No, her Jeep's not. No, that rut up there is huge.
Up, right up there?
Yes, under the tree.
Yeah, I
The-
saw Kasey kind of bottoming out
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, that rut's huge. So
Yeah, I'm kind of waiting a little bit too.
we don't. It feels nice out here. I was getting hot.
Papa, you want to take a picture with me here?
Yeah.
Okay. Dorothy, will you take a picture of me and Papa?
What is he? Is that just his tires?
There's a big rut up there, and then you have to turn when you get right at the top because otherwise you go down the other side.
You want in front of the Jeep? Yes.
But
Kasey's coming down right now.
yeah, I see him now. That one Mike started coming out. It looks like you're just driving off a cliff. I'm like, no. So he turns around and goes up it. I'm like, "Ugh." Go down there and let them have it. They want to turn to go up this stuff.
No, it's good for them like Sydney, who
Uh-huh.
I don't think we'd put her Jeep on that.
I wouldn't put her Jeep on any of that. She's got stock wheels and
Yeah, she's got no bite.
yeah. And those tires aren't.
Oh, Kasey.
Oh. You have your walkie-talkie?
His walkie-talkie doesn't work.
Kasey's at the top.
We're backing up.
He'll back up. Oh, good.
Oh! You're looking at the sky.
You are looking at the sky. Actually, my camera ran out of battery right there, so I couldn't film it. I didn't get Kasey going up it, and I didn't get.
This is downhill, car slide, welcome to Jackass.
Is he going over that big rock?
I don't know. I don't like that one. We did that one once, so I didn't like it.
Well, see, I can't lock my hub, so I would probably just slide on that.
We just put it in 4 low. Jesus. Why is he just sitting there?
I don't know, to show him the angle.
He probably is, because the Bronco shows you the angle inside the cab.
We just did it, you guys can do it.
Is your radio working?
This works.
Oh.
I still can't get this other one to work.
You got the batteries in right?
Yeah, I've taken the batteries in and out. It turns on, but for some reason it won't transmit. Yeah,
Looks like his ass end's going a little to the left.
oh, thanks. I like yours too.
I think I'm gonna ask Santa for some tires.
Yeah.
Yeah, see how lug our tires are?
I know.
Compared to yours, they're street tires.
My little baby tires.
So 25 degrees coming down.
It looked
Oh.
more than that.
25 degrees?
Yeah.
It looked like more than that.
Looked like 40 degrees.
What'd you think, Sid?
Oh, it's so fun. It's addicting. I just want to go off-roading all the time now.
Well, that road, they've actually gone through and smoothed it out.
It used to be nothing.
There was a big old rut over here that you had to really go slow to get through just to get over here. Yeah, they've smoothed it all out.
I feel like we could have handled heartbreak. We went over slow.
No, I don't think Sydney's Jeep's high enough clearance for it.
So we can go back over to these over here.
Yeah.
Pretty good dip on that one on the left there.
Yeah, when I heard you crunching on it.
Yeah, my plastic, the tires hit the plastic on the inner fender.
Oh, because of you, because of you.
yeah, because it's like moving like
Yeah.
this, but it's
Yeah.
rubbing against the
Yeah,
inner fender.
yeah.
I
No.
couldn't figure out what that was. I thought, is he bothering me now?
We were out here and there was a
There's
Bronco
another
beating the
Bronco.
crap out of it. He was
Really?
flying up and down all this stuff.
Oh, really?
Kasey.
Okay, so we're gonna go play on some of the hills for a few minutes before we go back. I heard Riley when she got to go, oh, this is really nice.
Yeah.
Okay. There's Mike, Sydney, Rick. Here comes Kasey. Kasey just did it. You did it. I'm not sure about Sydney. I don't know. Okay. You just high-sided. Okay, but you just high-sided. You might have to get one of these guys with the winch to pull you over the rest of the way.
We should all lift up the car.
Yeah, your wheels are off the ground.
You're off the ground?
They're just spinning. They're just spinning. No, they're gonna have to.
Is she in low?
Yeah, but her wheels are off the ground.
Yeah,
No.
but she's in low.
No, she's high.
Put her in low.
It's.
She has to go to neutral. Has to go to neutral.
Turn low.
This is where we rescued that truck from.
Trying it.
Go forward. No. Do I get the rope out?
Kasey's behind. Yeah.
Backwards or forwards?
We're gonna go.
Hey Rick, you might be able to push. No?
No, it's too high.
Is she high-sided?
Yes, she high-sided. That's why I wasn't sure. I'm like, I don't know. Yeah, that would do it. Okay, we're gonna have our first rescue back here.
Are you low or high?
She's in low now. We put her in low.
Did you have to put it in neutral? Put it in low?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay,
As he pulls you, you want to be on the brake.
so,
Because he can pull you back.
okay, and you're in reverse though, right?
Yeah, you're still.
Okay, so stay in reverse because he's gonna pull you backwards.
People had rocks here before. I wonder. I
I'll
can't.
just pull her back to where she can get free.
Right.
Yeah, as soon as you're free, you stop. You like going in the midair when you can't see nothing but the sky.
Great.
Alright, I'm gonna move over to here.
You have pictures of her getting stuck?
I do.
Straighten your wheels this way. No, go this no, the other way. The other way.
As he brings you
Stop,
off.
not right there. Okay, just let him pull you and then go. With the foot on the brake.
Yeah, Rick, get out of the way. Rick,
Yeah, Rex,
move.
Okay, give it a little tiny bit of gas. Tiny. A little more. Little tiny gas. Yeah, you're off. You go. Oh, you can go tiny. She's off. She can drive on that, but he's gonna disconnect. You can drive off of it. Back.
She's got to probably come back a little bit.
Come back.
Okay, wait.
On your own.
Rick's right behind.
Okay, just a little by yourself. Yeah, reverse. Go ahead. Whoa, easy. Easy. Stop. Stop. Don't move. Yeah?
Okay,
You can wait till he moves out of the way. You can roll back ever so little bit. Roll. Take foot off the brake. You'll roll backwards. Easy. Brake.
Okay,
Somebody had to put rocks to get out of here.
they did. I saw that. But she's looking at me, I'm going, oh, I don't know. She went for it.
That's wild. So her first time out, she gets stuck.
She gets rescued.
Huh?
That was our first rescue.
Yes.
Second time I used it.
Aren't you glad you have it?
The winch. People have rocks in
That hole over there is what messed it up.
that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Kasey went over it and then Rick went over it, so she thought she could do it.
Right.
That's the difference of having
Yes.
Yeah, they just should drive over there. Oh, look at her slide still.
They went back there okay.
Yeah. Hey, wait a minute. Sydney, if you ever see something to go over, you don't go over it sideways because it'll make you tippy. You want to go off a 90.
Show off!
Show off.
I couldn't turn.
Oh. Uh-huh.
All right, go ahead. First rescue.
That was fun.
It's going to be a little harder, and so.
So that way is Burns Canyon Road back to Baldwin Lake at 2 and 02. This one is 3 and 03.
And it takes us to Highway 18,
And it's blue.
showing,
Yeah.
showing the back way. We haven't been on it since the big rains, right?
No, I don't think we've been on it this season, have we? We were on it last year.
Yeah, we haven't done much this season, right?
No, we have not.
So. Should be interesting. She's already probably going, what?
Well, she said
I know.
it sounded like she was ready for a little more challenge. So here we
Well,
go.
okay. I would have taken the stock one with people that could help me.
Yeah, well, we took the stock one to other places too. We went to Calico by ourselves.
Yeah,
And,
but I mean, if I have people to help, I think it's harder to come up this than it is to go down it.
I think,
Is that a truck?
where?
Right there. There's a truck
Yeah,
on the road.
it's
Tell Rick there's a truck in front of him.
Oh,
Is he coming up or
no,
going?
it's going down. There's a truck in front of me, but it's going down.
Yeah, we saw this truck.
Okay.
Did Rick have to back up? He did.
Wow. It's a tight turn. All right.
Very slow.
Very slow.
Slow. Slow. Very good.
Okay, now you guys, I gotta move forward for Kasey. Okay, you guys gotta go forward for
Get out of the
Kasey. Yeah. barrels through everything with those tires. Wow. Yeah, they got a little more taste with that. That's the hardest part of the, I told her this is the hardest part of the road. And I said, well, let me get down and film you. But she kept going. It was like, okay, I guess you're not going to let me film you from the front. To a car that's all, you know, the Subarus can go everywhere. Not well all the time, but
wow, that's been here a while with no people.
Right. Well,
that makes you feel confident.
Yeah, but look, it's got little tires that you look all flat. One tire's off the ground.
You know, someone might have stolen it.
Rolled.
Someone might have stolen it.
Or no,
What was that back there?
Subarus can go everywhere. No, go ahead.
It's a Subaru. You know, they think they can go everywhere, but I don't see the
It might be stolen.
Oh, maybe Mike thought maybe it's stolen, but they wrecked it.
They gotta make Sydney feel great. Here we come around the corner. There's a wrecked car.
Japanese innovation.
there. I can't read it. But that one's 3 and 03. We're going to stay on 3 and 03.
Kasey, have a problem?
I don't know.
Not waiting for me. Is there a number on it?
Yeah, 3 and 03.
Okay.
I said you're airing up with your new fancy system and your new fancy compressor. There's snacks back here, so they're all snacking. Kasey's already aired up.
Aired up.
Wow. How about Sydney?
I'm gonna go do hers right now.
Okay. Wow. You're fast.
I'm not moving.
Yeah. Kasey's already aired up.
Yeah. Well, that air thing is fast.
Yeah. Okay, here's Highway 18. We're going back up to Big Bear that way. This is 3 and 03. You can go in. There's actually a staging area in there, and then you can do off-roading. Off-road vehicles in this area also. So here we are. Bye for now.